you. What is this?
Snake.
Yes. Do you like snakes?
No.
Do you like spiders?
No.
Do you like?
Yes, I like
Why?
them. Yes, yes, yes. What animals do? Yes. You know? Jump. Can you show me? Everyone, please stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Quickly. You know jump, how to jump? This is jump. Jump, jump, jump. I want to. Yes. I want you to jump. Jump again. Yes, last time. You are great. Now, walk. You know walk? This is walk.
I can show you.
Yes, of course. By the way, goodbye.
Sen görüşürüz.
And run. You know how to run? Run. Can you show me, or anyone who want to show me? Huh? It's enough. Do you want to come here? Okay, run. Run here. You are amazing. Thank you for your help. And swim. This is swim. Swim. Repeat after me. Swim.
Swim.
Swim. Yes. And this is fly. Oh, fly. Fly. Oh, you are very quiet, huh? Çok sessizsiniz. And now we have some animals. Okay? Cow. Cow. Gördünüz mü? Do you like it?
Yes.
Cow? Huh?
Yes.
I think it is a sad cow. Sad?
Yes.
And this is chicken. 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 Yes. And donkey. Donkey. Yes, I can hear your voice. Donkey. Duck. Duck. Yes, duck. And this is elephant. Elephant. Yes. This is horse. Horse. Yes, you are amazing. Lion. Monkey. My favorites. Do you like monkeys? Snake. Snake. Like this. Snake. Huh? And one more question. What is this? Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Yes, please. Cow. This is cow. Yes. What does it mean horse in Turkish? Horse. Yes. And what does it mean donkey in Turkish? Yes. Let's learn can. Can structure. Can an elephant jump?
Yes.
Kim dedi elephant örümcek?
Ama sana vardı da.
By the way, where is my spider? Okay.
There.
Kendi biz ne için kullanıyorduk?
Basılı tut.
You can just like... Who is speaking? Yapabildiğimiz şeyler için kullanıyorduk değil mi?
Yes.
Ya da yapamayacağım bir şey.
Ya da yapamayacağımız şeyler için. Well, inability or disability. Ability or disability, let's say. Yapabileceğimiz şeyler için, but I wrote elephant, so it. It can jump. Ya da it can ya da it can't, yes. Both of them are possible. So we have a song. It is very funny song. Eşlik etmenizi de istiyorum. Okay?
Tamam.
And maybe you can also imitate it. Imitate. Show. Yes. Show me.
Can an elephant jump? No,
Jump.
it can't. Can an elephant fly? No, it can't. Can an elephant walk? Yes, it can. An elephant can walk. Walk, 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 walk. Stop. Can a kangaroo walk? No, it can't. Can a kangaroo run? No, it can't. Can a kangaroo hop? Yes, it can. A kangaroo can hop. Hop, 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 hop. Stop. Can an octopus hop? No, it can't. Can an octopus clap? No, it can't. Can an octopus swim? Yes, it can. An octopus can swim. Swim, 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 stop. Can a koala swim? No, it can't. Can a koala dance? No, it can't. Can a koala sleep? Yes, it can. A koala can sleep. Wake up! Oh, I can jump, jump.
Yes, this is your part. Please, everybody stand up. Yes, I start again the song for this part. So this is your turn. You should imitate it. Okay? Yani arkadaşlar şurada yazanları iki imitate etseniz çok daha eğlenirsiniz diye düşünüyorum.
Oh, I can jump, 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 jump. I can fly,
Fly, fly, fly.
I can walk, 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 walk. Yes, I can. I can run, 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 run. I can hop, 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 hop. I can clap, 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 clap. Yes, I can. I can swim, 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 swim. I can dance, 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 dance. I can sleep, 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 sleep.
Sadece bir parça oyunum var.
Oyununu anlat.
Tamam. Oyunumda I use some chart from the word wall. It is an animal chart and I use can structure here. So students spin it and maybe
Can a horse fly?
can a horse fly? And the students reply it. Can a horse fly? No. Yes. No, it can't. That's all.
Teşekkür ederim.